If you think traffic jams are bad, imagine a highway system stacked 5 layers high over a mountain city. This is Qianchun Interchange in Guiyang, China. A feat of engineering so bold that from above, it looks like a giant Lego tower floating in the air. Drivers joke that one wrong turn here could send you to another city. Today, we're going to explore why this interchange exists, how it was built on Swiss cheese rock, and what makes it both terrifying and brilliant. Welcome to Extreme Engineering, the place where we uncover the world's most impossible machines and the insane human ambition behind them. From jets that outrun missiles to megastructures that defy gravity, if it pushes physics to the limit, you'll find it here. Guiyang, the capital of Guizhou province, is a city squeezed between steep hills and deep valleys. Straight roads? Almost impossible. Engineers had a choice: dig tunnels, weave endless surface roads, or build upwards. They chose the sky. The Qianchun Interchange stacks roads like a giant Lego puzzle. 5 levels, with 10 to 20 ramps, connecting urban arterials and crossing ridges and ravines. Higher ramps handle through traffic. Middle ramps guide directional turns. Lower ramps serve local streets. It compresses 3 to 5 kilometers of surface weaving into a compact, 3-dimensional node. Heavy signage and lane guidance reduce driver confusion, and stacking saves land in a city where flat ground is precious. Building a massive interchange is hard enough. Doing it over Swiss cheese rock is another level. Under Guiyang, hidden caves and voids make foundations a nightmare. Engineers couldn't just pour concrete and hope for the best. They had to map every void, drill test piles, and fill unstable sections with grout. Some piers rest on massive micropiles, while others bridge over natural cavities. Construction tactics included rotary piling to reach solid rock, grouting voids to prevent uneven settlement, advanced drainage to protect piers from water-induced erosion. If you've seen pictures of Qianchun, you know the ramps are bright and colorful. But this isn't just for Instagram. Guiyang's frequent fog and rain make lane detection tricky. Bright colors help drivers see the road better, improve safety, and also serve as a city branding strategy. High-contrast paints improve edge recognition. Anti-corrosion coatings protect from rain. Retro-reflective chevrons and LED markers enhance safety in foggy conditions. How do you build a 5-layer interchange in a busy city without shutting it down? Engineers approached it like a puzzle. Bottom-up pier erection, top-down segment launches, nighttime girder lifts to minimize disruption. Temporary works included false-work towers in valleys, launching gantries to avoid ground access, temporary lanes to reroute traffic during construction. Utilities like water, power, and telecom fiber were relocated carefully. Noise limits were enforced, and night work was meticulously timed. Curved ramps at 40 to 60 kilometers per hour can be dangerous, especially in rain. Engineers tilted ramps using super elevation, added friction-friendly surfaces, installed drainage to prevent water buildup. Super elevation ranges from 4 to 8%, with smooth transitions to avoid discomfort and skidding. Asphalt surfaces improve tire grip, while rumble strips and chevrons alert drivers before tight curves. The interchange isn't just concrete and steel. It has tiny nerves. Structural health monitoring sensors track stress, temperature, vibration. If something is off, alerts go straight to the traffic control center. Sensors include strain gauges, accelerometers, and thermistors. Bearings have displacement transducers, and data flows via fiber to real-time dashboards, letting engineers monitor the structure constantly. Why not just dig tunnels through the mountains? While possible, tunnels here would require tight turns, complex ventilation, fire safety systems, and steep grades. Elevated ramps offered better staging, visual surveillance, driver comfort on complex routings. Online, people joke, take the wrong ramp and end up in another city. The truth? With lane guidance, bilingual signage, and GPS, missing an exit is annoying, not life-altering. Chevrons and taper islands prevent sudden lane dives, and overhead gantries guide drivers at every decision point. Internet memes exaggerate complexity, but the interchange is very manageable. Living under a 5-layer interchange isn't easy. Noise barriers, textured asphalt surfaces, and speed caps at night reduce sound. Elastomeric pads and tuned mass dampers minimize vibrations. Green buffers and facade retrofits protect nearby schools and hospitals. Thousands of bolts, girders, and joints hold this interchange together. Continuous box girders, shear studs, and expansion joints work together to redistribute loads if a part fails. Inspectors constantly check for leaks, corrosion, and cracking to keep the structure safe. Qianchun Interchange isn't just a bridge. It's a solution to extreme topography, unpredictable ground, and dense urban traffic. 5 layers, bright colors, sensors, and precise engineering combine to create a structure that feels almost impossible, yet it works. Next time you're stuck in traffic, imagine stacking an entire city's highways over a mountain, and then consider that someone had to calculate every bolt, curve, and pile to make it safe. If you enjoyed this video and found it interesting, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Every subscription inspires our team to keep researching, exploring, and bringing you even more mind-blowing engineering contents. Stay tuned, because the future of engineering has only just begun, and we can't wait to share it with you. See you in the next video.